it's time to talk about clothes that everyone can benefit from. Australian company Threadsmiths offers shirts and t-shirts with a unique feature. They repel water and any other liquid. These clothes will definitely help to avoid sauce or drink stains. In addition, the fabric from which all clothes are made does not absorb odors. The most difficult task was to make the clothing waterproof while keeping the fabric soft and breathable. However, the Threadsmiths team did their job perfectly. Today, the company offers a large number of models. The price ranges from $50 to $400. Posh galosh overboots. Bad weather often stands in the way of our plans. This is true for all aspects of life. However, right now we're talking about cases when rain, snow and hail prevent us from wearing our most beautiful shoes. Posh galosh overboots were created primarily for women who have to leave their favorite heels at home. However, we're sure that this invention will protect any shoe regardless of who wears it. Simply put, Posh is a shoe cover for walking the streets. On the outside, it's made of a durable, water-resistant synthetic material. On the inside, they have a soft nylon lining and are pleasant to the touch. Their insoles are absolutely flat, so they're comfortable to wear over any shoe, whether it's a high-heeled shoe or a sneaker. The heel area has an additional protective insert to prevent the heel from puncturing the fabric. The top of the product is very wide so that you can put it on even over bulky shoes. Posh is fastened to the leg with elastic straps. When folded, the overboots take up almost no space and can be stored in the carry bag. The price of the product is $120. Aros. The next piece of clothing we have on our list will be especially useful for people who spend a lot of time on the road. Aros is a special hoodie with an air pillow inside. That is, it's a hoodie for sleeping. When you put the hood on your head and inflate the pillow, you get optimal support for your head and neck. The hoodie makes it easier to sleep on public transport, in the car and even on the floor if, for example, you're on a picnic. When the pillow deflates, the hoodie just becomes a stylish garment. Aros can be bought for $70. Polar seal clothes. If you live in a country with cold weather, what we'll say next won't be news to you. Sometimes even a heating system doesn't prevent you from feeling cold. Fortunately, the Chinese company Polar Seal has found a way out of this situation. The brand offers clothes that will allow you to forget about the feeling of cold forever. It is clothing with a built-in heating system. The company offers a wide variety of clothing, from t-shirts and tops to jackets, vests and parkas. The price, of course, varies greatly. For a t-shirt, you'll have to pay about $150. A jacket will cost about $660. It's not cheap, but it seems to us that keeping warm and comfortable when it's freezing is worth it. Clothes support 3 heating modes: 40, 45 and 50 degrees Celsius. The fabric is made up of 5 layers. The heating layer is in the middle so the clothes won't burn your skin. The heating process starts with the push of a button, and the heat can be felt after 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching us. If the video was interesting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notifications in order not to miss the new releases. See you next time.